Welcome to the Gyan Niketan Girls School. Myself Tanu Srivastava, and today we will see the topic formatting a document. Formatting a document involves font size, font color, font style and many more features. In the previous class we have seen how to change the font style and the size. Today we will see how to change the text color. To change the text color we use the Home tab. This capital A you can see that is called the font color option. Clicking on that small triangle provide you the color box. This is called color palettes. You can select any one color to write in the same color. This color box is called the color palettes. Okay. Now at the bottom of the screen you can see the example. You by default it write in black color. If you want to change the color, you select the color and apply the changes and see the changes. Now we will see text case. There are 5 case conversion in Word 2016. Sentence case, capitalize the first letter of the selected sentence. That means the normal sentence as usual we use. Lowercase, convert the selected text to the lowercase. Lowercase that means the small letter. MS Word, you can see all the text are displaying in small letter. Now the uppercase, convert the selected text to the uppercase. Uppercase it means capital letter. Capitalize each word. In this feature, you can see all words having the first letter will display in capital and rest will be display in small letter. That is capitalize each word. Next is the toggle case. Convert the case of every selected word in reverse manner. It means all the selected word having the first letter will display in small letter and rest other letter will display in capital letter. That is called toggle case. Now changing text alignment. Alignment refers to the positioning of text in a document. By default, alignment is the left alignment. In the copy, in book, in computer, you have seen now we start writing from the left side. That is called the left alignment. There are 4 types of alignment: left, right, center and justify. This option is used for alignment. You can see the 4 options for the 4 alignments. These are the example. Left will display the text in left side. Right will start typing from the right side. Center will display your text in center. And justify is used for display the text evenly with right and left, evenly between the right and left margin. Superscript and subscript. It is the feature of MS Word. It is present in the Home tab. In the ribbon you can see superscript option is used to display the selected text slightly above the normal text, whereas subscript option is used to display the selected text slightly below the normal text. This option is used for the superscript and subscript. You can see below the font size x square and x to the base 2 is given. It is used for subscript and the superscript. This is the example. You can see a square plus b square, that is the example of superscript. And when we have to write H2O, it is called the subscript. Bullet or number list. This feature is used to generate the list. When we have to add the content in a list, suppose we have to write the name of the 10 states. So we give the numbering Either we mark the some symbol, that is called the bullet. This feature is also available in the Home tab. Below the View tab, you can see the option. First one is the bullet list. It will add symbols instead of numbers. When you write the content and press the enter, it will be automatically generated to the document. And number list adds the numbers to the document. Number list in a document. The different options are given. You can select any one of them to start their sequence. Drop cap. Drop cap is a text formatting option in Word that allows the user to enlarge only the first letter of a paragraph. This feature is available in the Home tab, in the Insert tab. You can see the option given and it will display the text in this manner. This type of example you have seen in magazines or in your books. Thank you.